Welcome to the testing world. In this session, we are going to cover one more test step is delay. So in the previous session, we have created a project. Inside the project, we have created a test suite. Inside the test suite, we have created a test case and then one test step, which is a SOAP request test step. I want to add one more SOAP request test step. So I'm going here, test request step 2. So here I have selected get currency code. So now we have two test steps inside a test case. One is picking all the countries and other is picking all the currency code of the different countries. I'm running this test case and here we can see all the test steps are executed. So sometimes we are going to face some situations in which after running a test step, we want to wait for some time and then move to the next test step. So for entering the delay, or I'll say the wait between the two test steps, we are going to use a new test step, that is delay test step. So I'm coming here in the test case, I'm adding a step and the name of the test step is delay test step. So here I click on OK and we can see a delay test step is created. By default, it shows it's going to wait for 1000 milliseconds. So the time display is in milliseconds. So I double click on that and change this value to 10,000 milliseconds. 10,000 milliseconds is equal to 10 seconds. Click on OK. So here we have added a new test step, that is a delay test step, but delay is added after the step 2. Means in my case, step 1 will execute, step 2 will execute, and then delay will execute. So delay will execute at the end. But I want to execute this delay test step after the step 1. For that, I drag this delay test step and place it between the test step 1 and test step 2. So now my test step 1 will execute, then delay will execute, and at the end my test step 2 is going to be executed. So I'm going to run this current test case and here we can see it is executing the step 1 and then delay is executing, and here we can see it shows the remaining time of the delay test step. Once it is done, then moving to the step 2. So here we have seen delay is executing between the two steps. So delay is mainly going to be used when we want to wait for some time before hitting a service. Thanks for watching this video.